Good day, viewers at home. This is another lesson on bearing. This one is on how to get the bearing of one point from another. Let's take a look at this question. Given that the bearing of A from B is 125 degrees, find the bearing of B from A. If the bearing of A from B is 125 degrees, find the bearing of B from A. To answer this question, you first of all draw the point B, because we have bearing of A from B. So it is that from B that we are going to draw first. So this is the point B. So we count 125 degrees. From this point to this point is 90 degrees. If you subtract 90 degrees from 125, you'll be left with 35 degrees. 35 degrees. So this is A. So we've drawn the bearing of A from B is 125 degrees. From this point to this point is 90 degrees. Then we'll now take it away from 125. That gives us 35 degrees. So this angle now is 35 and this is point A. The question is now asking us to find the bearing of B from A. The bearing of B from A is that angle from the north up to that line that connects B to A. From this point, 90, 180, 270, then we'll add it to whatever we have here. But we can see that this angle is alternate to this. So that means this place is also 35 degrees. So if here is 35 degrees, this is 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. So now the bearing of B from A will now be 270 degrees plus 35 degrees, and that gives us 305 degrees. So that's how to get the bearing of one point from another. Let's take another example. Sometimes the question will not come in word problem form like this. It might be from a diagram. You have something like this. And you are now asked to find the bearing of B from A. From this diagram now, the bearing of A from B is 220 degrees. So now we are asked to find the bearing of B from A. But first of all, we need to know that this angle is not 220 degrees. This 220 degrees is what we have when we count from this place down to this place. So, and we know that this is 90, this is 180. So for us to know the remaining small angle here, you subtract 180 degrees from 220 degrees and we are left with 40. So that means this angle is 40 degrees. So if this one is 40 degrees, definitely this place too will be 40 degrees because they are alternate angles. And the bearing of B from A is the angle we measure from the north down to the line that joins B and A. And this is the line that joins them, this line. So the bearing of B from A now will be this angle 40 degrees, because that is all we have here. From the north down to that line that joins them, this is 40 degrees. So bearing of B from A is 040 degree in 3-figure notation, or we can give it in acute angled bearing or compass bearing as north 40 degree east. The questions might be given in a 3-figure notation, and then you see your options in acute angle bearing. So we should be able to convert one to the other. That's what we have done earlier in the previous lesson. So with this now, we should be able to get the bearing of one point from another. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at some more complex questions on bearing. Thank you.